Morning guys, Saturday. Wednesday was busy and nobody here fishing, but Friday is a national holiday and many people arrived here. If I'm right, 18 now. And I spoke with one of them yesterday. He got 2 trouts. It's a fly fishing. Unfortunately, I need to go today to Johannesburg, so I can't attend. But we'll share with you a couple of pictures and video how place is looking. Very well maintained. Saying that it is a 4-star. Yeah, with a fine dining. I would say with a good fishing spots, very well organized. As you see, you have basically these platforms everywhere. There are 3 or 4 lakes in the estate. I'm just walking around them, and it is in parallel going the river. So who are around Johannesburg, hardly recommending to spend weekend here. Beautiful, peaceful, very good service, friendly staff, rooms sufficient, nicely maintained. So stay tuned.